Hello, my venture friends. We're here today with our last Valentine craft in your care package. And these are going to be a short and sweet craft. More so because I'm not going to give you a whole lot of direction. I think these are a do-it-yourself Valentine craft. And I kind of just want you to get creative. I threw a whole bunch of different pieces into your care packages. Use whatever you want. Don't use whatever you want. You could add in some markers. The only other thing you'll need is a glue stick. And the deal with this is have a ton of fun, make a beautiful Valentine, and give it away to someone you care about. So I'm just gonna get started and show you what I do with mine. So your care packages are going to have these large foam hearts. There's one for everybody. And then you have a huge variety of different embellishments. You have different stickers, you have different glitter items, and use what you'd like. Don't use what you don't want. This it has stuff on the back because it's also sticky. You can cut that into shorter pieces, or you can use the whole piece, whatever tickles your fancy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for this is just get into my creative zone. And that's what I want you to do too. Let's just craft together today. I like to layer things myself because I think it adds some dimension, which is always nice in your artwork. I like these felt stickers. I think they're pretty. Okay, what I kind of love about this adhesive ribbon, like gemstone ribbon, is that you can do just this and you can have it kind of bend. You can manipulate it to bend and have it go where you want it to go. What do you think so far? I like it. going to add, I'm going to tuck this in just under here. I'm going to layer a little bit. Some of my glitter. Oh, I think I'll use a big one there. Now, I don't know about you, but I love to do some dollar store shopping. So most of these items were actually picked up at a variety of dollar stores. I love to shop our Camp Ventures Just a Buck store in Garnerville. We get a lot of great finds there. You could also go to Dollar Tree. There's another great one here by where I work, just over the border in Jersey. And so if you're willing to go and shop around a little bit, you can find all these wonderful embellishments for dollars. It's really great way to shop. So I think I'm kind of thinking I like where I'm at. And I might just add, I don't know if I want to add anything or if I want to leave it just the way it is. I know there's a lot of glitter going on up here, but you know, I don't know if you've noticed yet, but I like my glitter. I think I might just add it there to cover the ends of the ribbon. Now, here's for the special part. You can, of course, keep these all for yourself. That's your prerogative. But I always think it's really nice to brighten someone's day by giving them your Valentine. So you could add something if you'd like, or you could just add somebody's name. I'm going to put my daughter's name right up here in the corner, and I'm going to give this one to her. And this is going to be Caitlin's Valentine. Now, if you have any rhinestones left over from your Mardi Gras masks or any of your other crafts, you could certainly go ahead and add some more bling. That would be up to you. I do happen to have one left over, and I'm going to add it right onto my little bow here. And I think that I'm all set with my super cute, easy DIY Valentine. Enjoy, and don't forget to send me pictures. Happy Valentine's Day.